The F-crown shifts. How China is dominating the global road. A seismic shift just hit the auto industry. For the first time in 21 years, a Chinese carmaker has topped the Global Automotive Innovation Rankings. In the Automotive Innovations Report 2026 released by Germany-based Center of Automotive Management CAM, BYD takes the throne. The 2026 CAM report confirms it. BYD is now the world's most innovative automaker, beating out legends like Volkswagen and Mercedes-Benz. With breakthroughs like the Gen-to-Blade battery and flash charging tech, which hits a 70% charge in just 5 minutes, China's tech is now the global gold standard. In addition, Zhangpeng Motors and Geely Group have both ranked among the top 6, demonstrating the collective rise of China's automotive innovation cluster. Market explosion. In Q1 2026, China exported a massive 2.23 million EVs. Even with new EU tariffs, Chinese brands doubled their European market share to 15%. Why? Because they've made EVs that cost 1/3 as much to run as gas cars. From Brazil to Australia, brands like BYD, GWM, and Chery are now top-tier choices, not just cheap alternatives. Going global are their new. But it's no longer just about shipping cars. It's about building them everywhere. With new mega factories opening in Brazil, Thailand, and Spain, China is exporting its entire supply chain and manufacturing standards. With BYD alone investing nearly $9 billion or 63.4 billion RMB in R&D last year. The message is clear. The future of mobility isn't just electric, it's driven by China.